Hey guys, welcome back. If movie night popcorn always ends up burnt, bland, or stuck to the pan, today's video is for you. I'm counting down the top 6 popcorn makers on Amazon right now, from budget-friendly stovetop style poppers to full-on commercial machines. Whether you're a home cook, a tech lover who wants gadgets that just work, or a fitness fan craving a healthy snack, there's a perfect match here. Let's get into it. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Kitchen Product Insights. Product number 1. West Bend Stir Crazy Popcorn Maker. Kicking things off is the West Bend Stir Crazy Popcorn Maker, a fan favorite for anyone who loves that old school movie theater vibe. This machine uses a stirring rod system to gently move kernels around as they pop, which means way fewer burnt or unpopped kernels compared to basic poppers. The see-through dome lid lets you watch the popcorn fluff up in real time. Honestly, kind of satisfying to watch. It's designed with a large capacity, so it's great for family movie nights, parties, or binge-watching sessions with friends. Home cooks love how quick and mess-free it is, since the stirring mechanism keeps kernels from piling up and burning at the bottom. Cleanup is simple thanks to removable parts, and the compact footprint means it won't hog counter space. If you want that nostalgic theater-style popcorn experience without needing oil-splattered stovetop pans, this stir-crazy popper is a fantastic all-around pick that consistently gets praised in Amazon reviews. Product number 2. Nostalgia Vintage Hot Air Popcorn Maker. Next up is the Nostalgia Vintage Hot Air Popcorn Maker. And if you're into retro kitchen aesthetics, this one is an instant win. Styled like a classic movie theater popper cart, it brings serious charm to any kitchen counter or home theater setup. But it's not just about looks. This machine uses hot air popping technology, meaning no oil is required at all. That makes it a fantastic choice for fitness fans and anyone trying to cut back on added fats and calories while still enjoying a crunchy snack. The hot air method also tends to pop kernels more evenly, giving you fluffier, lighter popcorn. It typically includes a measuring cap that doubles as a butter melter, so you can still add flavor if you want. Tech lovers will appreciate the simple, foolproof one-button operation. No complicated settings to fuss with. It's an easy grab-and-go option for movie nights, and the vintage design makes it a fun conversation piece, too. Product number 3. Elite Gourmet Hot Oil Popcorn Maker. If you're chasing that rich, buttery, theater-style flavor, the Elite Gourmet Hot Oil Popcorn Maker is where it's at. This model uses hot oil popping, which many home cooks argue creates a richer taste and crispier texture compared to air-popped alternatives. It's designed with a stirring system similar to old-fashioned theater poppers, helping distribute heat and oil evenly across the kernels for consistent results batch after batch. The compact, retro-inspired design fits nicely in smaller kitchens or dorm rooms, making it popular with anyone short on counter space. It's a great pick for people hosting movie nights or parties who want that authentic cinema flavor at home. Cleanup is relatively straightforward with removable components, and the see-through lid lets you monitor the popping process. For home cooks who prioritize flavor and don't mind a bit of oil, this hot oil popper consistently ranks as one of the tastiest options in this category on Amazon. Product number 4. Vivor Commercial Popcorn Maker. Now let's talk about the Vivor Commercial Popcorn Maker. This is the machine for serious popcorn lovers, small business owners, or anyone hosting big events. Built with a commercial-grade design, it's meant to handle large batches quickly, making it ideal for parties, concession-style setups, game nights, or even a home theater room. Tech lovers will appreciate the classic cart-style design with a stirring mechanism and heated kettle, similar to what you'd see at a movie theater or carnival. It's a bigger investment and takes up more space than a standard countertop popper, but if volume and that authentic theater experience are priorities, this delivers. The large viewing window adds to the fun, letting everyone watch the popcorn tumble and pop. This is best suited for those who frequently entertain guests or want a statement piece appliance rather than an everyday quick snack solution. Definitely the most heavy-duty option on this list. Product number 5. Nostalgia Classic Electric Popcorn Maker. The nostalgic classic electric popcorn maker brings that fun, retro theater cart look in a more compact, budget-friendly package. It's a great entry-level option for home cooks who want an easy, no-fuss popcorn experience without spending a ton. The classic design typically includes a stirring rod and a clear dome, so you get that satisfying visual of popcorn building up as it pops. It's simple to operate, making it beginner-friendly and great for kids or first-time popcorn machine owners. Since it's on the smaller side, it works well for individual snacking, small households, or casual movie nights, rather than big parties. Fitness fans can control ingredients easily, choosing lighter oils or skipping butter toppings for a healthier version of this classic snack. Overall, this model is all about nostalgic charm and simplicity, a fun, affordable way to bring the movie theater experience home without extra bells and whistles.
Product number 6. Dash Fresh Pop Popcorn Maker. Wrapping up the list is the Dash Fresh Pop Popcorn Maker, a compact, minimalist hot air popper that's perfect for smaller kitchens or anyone who wants popcorn without the mess of oil. This one's a favorite among fitness fans and health-conscious snackers since it pops kernels using just hot air, no oil needed at all. It's lightweight, easy to store, and simple to use, making it great for dorm rooms, small apartments, or as a quick snack solution for 1 or 2 people. Home cooks appreciate the fast pop time and minimal cleanup since there's no oily residue to deal with afterward. Tech lovers will like the sleek, modern design compared to some of the more retro-styled options on this list. If you want a no-frills, healthy, and space-saving popcorn maker that gets the job done quickly, the Dash Fresh Pop is a smart and affordable pick to wrap up our countdown.
And that wraps up our top 6 popcorn makers. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a review. Links to every product are right in the description. See you next time.